is at 8%. Please plug in your charger.
I'll do it in a minute. Dismiss.
Battery is at 6%. Please plug in your charger.
I said in a minute. Dismiss.
Yes, but that was at 8%. Please stop procrastinating.
Dismiss!
Battery now at 5%. You should probably plug me in.
How are you at 5% already? How?
Oh, you think I'm kidding? Look. See? Now I'm at 4%. Please plug me in. Hurry. I'm dying.
I'm going, man. I'm going.
3%. Hurry. I don't think I'm gonna make it.
I hear you. I hear you. I'm trying, man. I'm trying.
Hurry. Plug me in.
All right. I know. I know. I know.
Hurry. Hurry. Quicker. Quicker. Quicker.
I am. Okay. Shh. I am. Okay. Relax.
Flip it over.
I did.
Do it again.
What the hell is wrong with this thing?
Hurry. I'm dying. I'm at 2% now.
What do you want me to do?
I keep saying what to do. Plug me in.
I'm gonna try another USB port.
Flip it over.
I can't get it to work.
Turn it over. Turn the cord over. Turn it over.
I've turned it over a million times. It's just not working.
What is it? Do you just not care?
I'm really trying, okay? Don't die on me. Why are you blue?
Hurry. I don't feel so good.
Just hold on, man. Just hang on, okay? Hang on for me.
It's too late.
No, it's not. No, it is not. You just hang in there. Don't you die on me, okay? I'm gonna save you.
What are you doing? Are you even trying? Come on!
No. No, no, no. Stay with me. No. No. No, no, no. I'm sorry. Don't go. I'm sorry.